we are going to learn about the parts that make up our body. In the previous unit, we learned about how unique and different each one of us are. Wasn't that fun to see how unique every boy, every girl is created and the different likes and dislikes that we have? Now in this unit, we are going to learn and see the different parts of our body and how we use them, and also about the sense organs that we have. Our body consists of different parts, and every part has a name, and each and every part is used for different reasons. Let's look at our body and recall the names of the parts of our body. Let's start from the top. The head, and then we have the eyebrows and forehead. We have 2 ears, 2 eyes, nose and a mouth. Fingers, then we have our shoulders, also arms, elbows, chest, we have neck, we have our stomach, and we have knees, legs, we have our foot, and we also have our toes. These are some of the parts of our body, and every part is used for different reasons and they help us. So do you want to know how they help us? I think you might know few of it. Let's see. So all these parts that we spoke about and the different parts of our body are all controlled by our brain. Our brain is located inside our head. So the brain helps us to control every part of our body. And then we have our face. So the front part of our head is the face. We have our eyes, nose, ears, mouth, all this come in front of our face, in front of the head. And then we have our neck. The neck helps us to turn our head, and it also connects our head to the rest of the body. And then we have our hands and legs. Let's see what all we do with our hands. So we can hold our books, we can write and draw. What else? We can pick up a ball and play, we can brush our teeth, and we can eat. We have 2 legs, and our feet also is a part of our leg. Let's see what all we do every day with our leg. We can stand, we can walk, we can run and play around, we can kick a ball, and we can jump. And now we're going to learn about our sense organs. Sense organs, they help us to see, hear, smell, taste and feel. There are 5 sense organs, and what are they? They are our eyes, ears, nose, our tongue and our skin. They are very helpful to us, and they are like a window to the outside world. They also help us to sense danger and help us to know if there is anything around us. And now let's see our first sense organ, that is our eyes. We see with our eyes. We can see the beautiful different colors around us. We can see how tall trees are made. We can see the shapes of different objects like a ball. We can also read books with our eyes, and we can watch television. Next, we hear with our ears. We can hear the beautiful music coming from different instruments. We can hear the sound of the animals. We can hear when people talk to us. We can also hear when the alarm rings in the morning. We can use headphones and listen to music with our ears. We can also hear the honking sound from any vehicle when we are crossing the road or when we drive. We can smell with our nose, the beautiful smell from flowers, from perfumes and from our soaps, and also the smell coming from different fruits and plants. Then our tongue. What can we do with our tongue? We can taste. We can taste the yummy food that our mom prepares. We can taste the food that we eat like ice creams, sweets, and we can also have spicy stuff. We can have fruits and vegetables and taste different things around us. We feel with our skin. We feel how hot a tea is, how cold an ice cream is, how soft a feather is, and the fur on the kitten. We can also be careful when we feel something really hot and stay away from it. So sense organs are really helpful to us. So can you imagine our life without any of these sense organs? If you want to try, you can just close your eyes with a cloth or even with your hands and just see how you feel when you are blind, when your eyes don't work. Just close your eyes and try standing up and walking around. Do you feel the same? No, right? You feel so confused. You don't know where you are going. You don't know who's around you. You don't know the things that are around you, right? In the same way, each and every sense organ is so important to us, and God has made it so special to us. Now let's look at some of the activities that are given in our book. In page 94, we have an activity where they ask us to blindfold our eyes. So you can go and blindfold your eyes, ask your parents or anybody around you to help you. Keep some fruits around you and different things that have different smell, odor that comes from it. And you can play a game and guess what are the things that you can touch and feel and smell. So this is an activity that you can try and see. Hope you had fun learning the different parts of our body. Thank you.